What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Stash Cash. I am back with another video. So today's topic of discussion is YouTube Shorts. Now, I have my, personal opinions about this topic. I know it's a lot of people that's here on this platform that could be a little bit confused on if YouTube Shorts is good for your channel or if it's not good for your channel. Honestly speaking, I feel like YouTube Shorts has its purpose. It has its purpose here. I know the reason why I started was because, YouTube was trying to compete with TikTok in like the early 2020s, like 2021 or something like that. TikTok was on fire. It was popping. So YouTube started panicking and was like, nah, we got to get something like that too, and ended up creating its own form, which was what we call now YouTube Shorts. So my thing is this, and I always look at it from this perspective, right? Every platform has its place. You know what I mean? Like, I feel like I'm not going to be on YouTube for the same reason I'm on TikTok. I'm not going to be on TikTok for the same reason I'm on Instagram, and so forth or so forward. I'm not going to be on Instagram for the same reason I'm going to be on Facebook. So with that being said, it's all about, how you use it. For me, it's all about how you use it. I wouldn't use YouTube Shorts the same way I would use it if I was on TikTok, if you get what I'm saying, because I'm consuming, YouTube content way different from how I'm consuming TikTok content. I hope y'all following what I'm saying. So with that being said, right, I feel like YouTube Shorts can be helpful on YouTube, but this is where I feel like it's important for us as creators to have an understanding on, our brand. You feel me? I recently just started using Shorts on my channel. And the reason why I started using Shorts on my channel was to promote my long form content. So if you are here and you watching this long form video, what I usually do is I create the long form video, and then I will cut it up into YouTube Shorts and post it as, shorter clips. Now, the reason why I would do that is because I understand, the YouTube Shorts algorithm pushes, content out a little bit more better than how the long form, algorithm pushes the content out. And I'm not going to necessarily say push it out better. Once again, it goes back to just how people consume content. You know what I'm saying? So I use it as a tool rather than the main content. You feel what I'm saying? Because this is my main content. What I'm doing here, as far as with speaking with you guys and things like that, and giving my perspective on how I feel about it. This is the long form. My long form content is my main content, but I use the shorts as a promotional type of thing, because I understand that YouTube Shorts pushes the content out to maybe people that's not subscribed to your channel, and it's just on a bigger scale. I look at it like this. I look at it like how can I say it? Shorts and YouTube Shorts and YouTube long form, like they both on YouTube. Like, if you get what I'm saying, like they both on YouTube, but it's two different platforms on the same platform. You feel what I'm saying? Because it's two different algorithms. So I just use it as a promotion tool, and I look at it like, hopefully when somebody watches my short, you know what I mean, and they resonate with what it is I'm saying on my short, they'd be like, okay, cool, like I rock with what this dude is saying. Let me go check out the long form, and it's a win-win situation, you know what I'm saying? But I say all that to say, this is why it's important for content creators to, just have an understanding on one, the audience they speaking to, they brand. Because I would suggest, if you use the shorts similar to how I'll use it, I would say, it works. But if you using your YouTube shorts to do like, little funny viral videos, but then, on your long form channel side of YouTube, it's like you having like serious conversations, like it's off topic, like it's not off topic, it's not on the same page. You get what I'm saying? It's two different type of content, and you can confuse the algorithm. They're gonna be like, are you somebody that's creating funny videos, or are you somebody that's being informative? You feel what I'm saying? So that's how I look at it, and I feel like that could be the only way YouTube Shorts can harm your channel, is if you don't have if you're not consistent with the type of content that you put out. Like, they both have to resonate with each other. So yeah, that's that. And using shorts for people that's like, let's say how can I say it? If you're just starting out on YouTube, I would suggest you not to just use shorts. Me personally, I would suggest you to set a foundation, like, set some type of foundation with your long form content first. Build your, your buzz over there while you making your long form content, and then head over to the YouTube short side and start, creating the shorts. Because I had a channel before I created this, and I used to post a lot of shorts. I posted a lot of shorts. I actually only posted shorts, and then when I started posting my long form video, I say this a lot of times, and when I tell my YouTube journey story, like, it was no comments. Like, I had no comments, I had no views, I had nothing. But then when I go over on the YouTube short side, I got thousands of views and comments and things like that, and it just made me feel like, what the crap? Like, is my channel dead or something? But it wasn't that it was dead. It was just that, the people on the short side was the people on the short side. The people that was on the long form side was the people that was on the long form side. So it's two different algorithms. You just got to figure out a way to make it work for you and make sure it correlates with each other. You feel what I'm saying? Don't be doing one thing on one side and then another thing on another side and be like, why people is not coming over to their channel? Because unfortunately, it don't work like that. People love consistency. They like what they like. You know what I mean? So with that being said, I hope, this breakdown on YouTube Shorts made some type of sense. And, drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you think. And if you still here, I appreciate you. If you didn't do so already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Also, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I go live and when I post my next video. I thank you again for being, amazing supporters, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Yeah.